Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Peggy, you're not tired?
What?
Cause you run through my mind all day. Hey, Peggy, if your left leg was Christmas and your right leg was New Year, guess where me would I want to spend my holiday?
Where?
No must between Christmas and New Year. Peggy, you know me love you till me Clyde.
Me I come check you later, you hear?
That, gentlemen, is how you get a girl with some real Yardie lyrics. Stumpy, see a girl coming here. Show me how lyrical you is.
Baby, you're selling a Pink's fabrics?
No. Why?
You look like 2 yard of wife material. Girl, you smile like give me diabetes. You walk full of grace like mackerel. Baby, where you get the bumper there? Birds Auto Parts?
Woof, woof, woof. Go on, Stump.
My time now. Baby, bucket 2 and drop in my life now. Is what going up in heaven? Why angel up on earth? Beg you walk off of your structure now. Moulda climb a maca tree naked for you.
Yes, Andy. From your par with me, I see you learning.
Alright, the next girl will pass me, I go show you how for lyrics, woman. Hi baby, your skin clean like don't spit in the book.
As on the ear, don't spit in the book. Everybody I look on me.
I want pose with you like that, me know. Girl, when me see you, me get I like sensimina. Can I have your number?
No, I owe you one so bright.
Since me can't get your number, give me a boyfriend number then.
Why?
I want to call him and ask him for your cashback number. Cause I want to know how him wants so lucky.
Ah, wicked rat. Now me prove, say most Yardie full of lyrics.